Welcome back to another edition of Edelbrock Live. I'm here with Eric once again. Today we're going to be discussing our MaxFire ignition line. It's one of the topics that we haven't talked about on the show, huh, Eric?
No, it's a new product. It's only been our product line for about 2 years. The wires are 2 years ago, and the distributors just came to market end of last year. We still have a few more that are coming to market.
Gotcha.
We got like the small block Chevy stuff and small block Ford. We still got some of the other guys like Pontiac, Knowles. They're coming on new product line for us.
Yeah, I mean, you know, we do everything from spark plug wires, distributors, like Eric said, and actual the coils as well. We're going to talk about, we're going to start talking about with the all the wires. The cool part about our ignition wires that a lot of people don't know, they're actually made in the USA.
Yeah.
All our wires, we offer two different series. We offer a 50 series and a 500 series. Pretty much, one is for race applications and one is an OEM replacement. They all come with 8.5 millimeter diameter. The silicone jackets, feature high quality snap and lock style terminals, and you could buy them for different applications. I believe they even offer them for like LS applications, and then they offer the custom stuff as well. So we offer solutions for the crimping tools. It comes with all the terminals. So if you want to do a custom setup, we offer that as well. These meet SAE Class E specifications. What can you tell us about the distributors, Eric?
Well, the distributors, these are brand new this year, and that was something that kind of like, once we made the wires, it's like, why not make the distributors?
Yeah.
And these are also the same distributors we use in our new ProFlow 4 EFI kits.
That's
so
right.
for us, we were already getting the distributors for those kits, and we have quite a big selection on those kits. Why not sell them individually and direct? So that's kind of what quality distributor. It's a performance distributor. They're CNC machine from 6061 T6 aluminum. They're high quality, all high quality, put together well. Really, like a ready to run style distributor. Got a hardened iron gear drive on them. The caps molded from glass filled polyester. So it's a good, great option for anybody running a high performance setup. So if you're running like Edelbrock Performer RPM heads, RPM intake with an AVS2 carburetor, that's not an OEM stock style setup. You definitely want something that's going to make sure you're getting the maximum power and delivering the best possible. That way you get the most out of your engine.
Absolutely. That's kind of cool because, I mean, this is pretty much what we use to do all our testing as well. So you're pretty much getting proven products that we mix and match and tested together. Like Eric said, I mean, the distributors is what we offer with our ProFlow system. So you're getting the same exact thing if you order a ProFlow system, and you can match it up with your spark plug cables, and then if you need a coil or whatever you need, we offer that as well.
I mean, these are all the same. We use these same wires and distributors in all of our R&D vehicles behind us here in our R&D area. So I mean, we run this stuff. Like, it's not like we just sell it. We run it. We run all the Ultra Spark high performance stuff because, of course, we're running high performance setups and what we do. But also, too, like Eddie said, for the guys that's got a stock replacement, you got some wires that are really old, and you're not running, say you just got all stock OEM style heads and intakes, nothing too crazy. This is a great wire for that. Definitely. But yeah, like you said, what's cool too is we have these available for you name it, any of your traditional, small block Ford, small block Chevy apps. Actually, I got to say these LSs, the coils, not the coils, but the wires I'm going to put on my truck. And that's the daily drivers. That's a daily driver that I have, a E4 supercharger on. So it'll work just great for that too as well.
And that's on the 500 series. So that's 500 ohm resistance, and then the racing application is a 50. So this is pretty much what you see right there. It's the red one. The 500 series comes in a black finish. So you check that out there.
And really what that has, the 50 to 500 really just denotes the ohms. So with these you got 500 ohms. And there's some of those cases where if you don't know, like with electronics, lower ohms is better. So this is 500, like I said, it meets OEM spec, works just fine for that kind of application. With the 50, now you're getting down to more resistance, a lot better delivery of power to make sure you're maximizing all those other bolt-on goodies you got on the engine.
Yeah, I mean, you get the true spark, you get full voltage pretty much when you need it for that racing application. You get all the horsepower, you burn up more fuel, and more burnt fuel means more power. Once you have the spark plug cables, of course, you're going to need a really good ignition system. So that's where we offer as well. We offer different coil options. We have LS option here. We have the universal one, something like this, and then we also have that one that you have there, Eric.
It's HEI style. a dome as well as a traditional. So yeah, we got quite the selection of coils to go along with the application, even like a unique Ford setup here as well. But yeah, definitely. And these are all, again, these are all high quality products. Use all these same products on our vehicles here. So just a great, like I said, it's kind of one of those things for us. MaxFire is a natural progression. You know, we make everything else for that kind of
might as well cover it. Yeah.
Might as well cover ignition, and it's a category that we definitely are going to be doing more in. And it's pretty exciting. I mean, like I said, these are really high quality, good wires. They, you know, the 8.5 mil, they got a lot of shielding on them. Just a really good, an all-around good wire, and also can handle a lot of abuse. You know, they're meant to last for a long time, so they've got good shielding on them, good sized jackets, good silicone. And your typical standard connections. We got, you know, the 90s, the 45s, and the straights, depending on the application. That way, like I said, whatever you're taking off, these will fit right in there.
Yeah, and you know, for the guys that are going to make a custom wire setup, we offer the universal setup. And the cool part is we actually offer the crimping tool. So this one we brought to market. What was it? Maybe about last year, I believe.
I think last time around after SEMA time, from November, December.
Exactly. So we offer the crimping tool as well. So it's a one-stop solution for all your ignition needs. I mean, you buy the cables, the coils, the crimping tool, and you're ready to go. You have a custom-made spark plug wire setup for your system. Whatever you have, we'll be able to cover it.
Yeah, the universal setups are really cool. So yeah, this is like what you would get. This is an example. On the universal setup, you'd get your one end, and then you get an open end. Buy the tool, and you can really. Those are for the guys that really want to tailor it so it looks really super clean.
Exactly. They want to route it.
Yeah, they don't want it to look dialed in, and we get that totally. So we have, like I said, Eddie, so we have universal kits for the 500 ohm and the 50 ohm. So again, you can make your choice on what you want to do there. And like I said, the tool. And then we do have wire separators coming soon. I know that's something's being worked on in engineering, but it's just taking a while to get there because we're trying to get a unique design, something unique and
something
special
a little
looking.
different than everything else.
Yeah, so that kind of stuff always takes a while.
Yeah, absolutely. And the good part is that, you know, they're going to be specifically made for all our spark plug cables, which are 8.5 millimeters. So it's not too bulky, but you still get the benefits of a performance spark plug cable. You know.
Yeah, definitely. So yeah, it's pretty exciting. Like I said, for us, it's pretty neat. You know, it's a cool product. And it just complements what we do.
Yeah, absolutely.
I think that's pretty much it. Talking about MaxFire. Like I said, I don't know what else is. I can't share what else is on the agenda there coming down the road, but who knows? You know, I know we've gotten asked for like the boxes and stuff like that. You know, the controller boxes, but that's something we got to evaluate and see if it fits in. But yeah, he's definitely, like I said, these are good quality wires, and they all complement each other really well. And like I said, the distributors are really nice. When you pick one of these suckers up, it's really feels good. It's got a lot of weight to it. It's a nice, like a nice solid piece. And like I said, we use them. Like I said, we wouldn't believe them if we didn't use them in our EFI kits.
Yeah, so. Absolutely. I mean, if you walk into the toy barn, that's pretty much where every car is going to have our spark plug wire. So it's pretty cool that we're actually testing them on all our cars and make sure that they're up to spec and they'll work out perfectly for everybody. Well, I mean, that pretty much covers our MaxFire system. Do you have anything else, Eric?
No, I think that's it. No news for this week, at least nothing that's coming down the road that I can talk about. But we may have some stuff next week. But no, I think that's it.
All right. If you guys have any suggestions for future shows or any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them below, and we'll make sure to follow up with you guys. If you have any questions, like I said, either drop a DM or message, whatever you got to do, and we'll see you next week.
All right.
All right.
Signing out.
All right. Take care, guys.